Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Aisha Beau here, and as you can see, my hair looks a little bit different today. I'm headed to get my hair braided in preparation for my retreat in St. Maarten that is coming up in just a few days. Oh my god, I'm so excited, y'all. Like, I had so much work to do, and I finally locked in, finished everything I needed to do. So now for the next few days before I leave for the trip, all I need to focus on is the trip in preparation for that. And so one piece of that is getting my hair braided. I mean, I'm mentally preparing. I'm making sure that I have everything outlined for my workshops and whatnot, but we also got to make sure that the hair don't look crazy. So I'm just gonna go and get some traditional knotless braids in my hair color, and I'm actually gonna get them butt length. I mean, I always get them butt length, but you know. So I'm getting them butt length. They're gonna be like large knotless because I'm not trying to be in the chair all day long. Also, I like the way that the large knotless look on me. I feel like they look like it could be my hair, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. This is just what goes on in my mind. But got up at 7 a.m. on a Sunday. I feel like this is the only time that you will ever find me getting up and out of the house before 8 a.m. on a Sunday. It's when I'm getting my hair done. So I made it, and I'm actually just like a few minutes early. So I was like, all right, let me just start my vlog off right away just to give like a little bit of an intro before I go and get my hair did. But yeah, hopefully it doesn't take too long. I get my hair done at Magic Fingers. I've been getting my hair done there now for like 3 years, and they're always like super quick and efficient, and my hair looks and feels good while the braids are in and after I take them out. So yeah, so I have no worries. I'm going with someone different this time around though, because my usual braider, she got into a really bad accident, a bad ATV accident. She's okay, but she's like very bruised up and really hurt. And I'm just saying this to say that this is why I do not ever go ATV riding. Like, one of my best friends, she is hosting a birthday party for her husband in Turks and Caicos in January that I'm going to, and one of the activities that she had originally put on there was ATVs, and I was like, well, me and David, my husband, will not be participating. I don't play that because I hear of too many people getting hurt or worse. So yeah, that's absolutely no. But all right, I don't want to use up all my time. I want to be a good client and get in there a little bit early. So I'm about to walk into the shop now. I had my little green juice this morning. I did a 3-day juice cleanse this week. I just wanted to reset my body, you know, my body and my mind before the trip, and I did a good job, but I still have a few juices left over. So I decided to have one this morning instead of my regular breakfast, you know, trying to keep it lean. I made it home and my hair is done. I finished, so I got in there at close to 9 o'clock. We started around 9, maybe like 2 minutes after 9 o'clock. And I was out of there by close to 2 o'clock. So I just love it. I love it. Whenever I go to Magic Fingers, I know I'm not gonna be there all day, which is amazing. So I had time to go and see one of my friends who I dropped off, or I had one of the gift bag items for my retreat dropped off at their house. So I went to go pick that up, hang out with them for a little bit, and now I am home and it's only 6 o'clock. Can you believe it? Fantastic. So I'm about to snuggle in for the night and gather myself and get myself together for this very, very exciting, eventful, and monumental week ahead for me and my entrepreneurial journey. And I'm happy that I have nice braids in to do it. But yes, so that is the end of my vlog, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much as always for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or feedback, or if you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you know my next video goes live. Thank you again for watching, and see you in St. Maarten. Body